What, Rasudeep? Too much cock you're showing. Frankly, I'll tell you, Rasudeep, too much cock you're showing. The plan for today is that we have no plan, alright? Madam was missing me. She can't stay a day without meeting me. So I came out to see her. And we are in, guess where? Guess where, guys? Indiranagar, you guessed it right. We are always in Indiranagar, right? It's been a really long time that we went to Pizza for Peace. I was talking to a client of mine recently. We were discussing about Bangalore food spots and we happened to talk about Pizza for Peace. And I just thought that, it's been a long time since I went to Pizza for Peace and I'm like, chef, let's go. Sounds good, no?
Yeah, let's see if we get a place there.
Oh yeah, let's see if we get a place because we don't have a reservation, bobbies. We don't do reservations, we just walk in. Guys, this channel has died, We don't get views only anymore. Only 10k views, guys. What is this behavior?
I think we should replace you.
Oh, what? The host of the channel will be replaced.
Yeah.
I was thinking we'll replace you with another girl.
Fuck off.
I'll do every single video with another girl. I said yes to my girlfriend, rock, paper, scissors, everything with a new girl.
They won't like it.
They won't like it, you say? What is this, bro? New boutique has opened. Oh, shoe angdi. Shoe angdi, boss. Shoe beka.
You want to buy me a pair of shoes? I need one.
You need one, though. Guys, payment ella bandilla. Kaasilla ivaga. Shoes keltavle. What to do now? You guys need to help me out here. I will make a Patreon page. Go fund me. Go
Fund my
Shiva.
shoes.
Fund my shoes.
I don't have shoes to walk in.
Yeah, see, she's always in chappal. Not just her, even I'm in chappal. Look at this poverty, guys. These chappals put together is 30,000 rupees. Look at the poverty we are in, guys. That's crazy. We are currently full. Go show your pretty face, and if you get a slot in, then you are actually pretty. If you don't get, then you're not that pretty.
I know I'm not that pretty because no matter what I do, they're not going to give me a place. Are you all open for walk-ins by any chance?
I'm so sorry, ma'am. Currently, we don't have a table for walk-ins.
Give me a call, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Bro, she got us a spot. That means she's pretty. What did you do? Did you bribe her?
I'm just like, my pretty face. Look at my pretty face. How can you say no to this pretty face? So buy me a pair of shoes now.
You know what? What shoes do you want? Tell me.
Adidas Sambas.
You actually want it.
I do.
You actually want it.
I want it.
Do you mean it when you say you want shoes?
Yes, I do. Wholeheartedly.
You actually want it?
Yes.
Because she got me a reservation, guys, I'm willing to buy her shoes. So here's the deal, bobbies. I have decided to pay 80%. She will pay 20% if we find a good pair of which shoe?
Adidas Sambas.
Adidas Sambas. But before we go shopping, I need some paid puja. So we are going to...
Alishan. No, Aladdin.
We're going to Aladdin and we will be eating Alishan Tikka. Aladdin is right across the street. But I just want to show you a new place which has opened up. It's called Sandwich.
Didn't you already show them?
No.
No.
Sandwich, bobbies. Do you want to try it?
No.
No. There's another dessert place which is opened up called as 11... What?
We can try it.
The dessert place?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me at least introduce them. No, it's called 11 Bakehouse.
Let's go.
Right now?
Yes.
First, can we at least go eat Alishan?
Fine. And
because,
then here.
Yeah, because it's going to be a little spicy. दो Alishan tikka और एक जूजी टिक्का order कर दिया है. And fresh बनवा रहा हूँ, so it's going to take 15 minutes. He said ready भी है, but I said no boss, I want freshly made. So in the meantime, 15 minutes है. Hey, look at that. One more Shefali.
Eh.
Cute Shefali. While our Alishan tikka is prepping, let's go get momos. कैसे हो sir? I'm going to be a good child and eat only one plate. Only one plate momo today. Or max two, okay? Is he serving me? Yes. Thank you, sir.
Bro, too hot it is.
It is burning hot. Oh my god, gorgeous. What's better looking, guys? Shefali or the momos?
I'm a momo.
Yeah, you also look like a momo only.
Oh, he used to be a momo.
I used to be a very cute momo, that's true. I hope it's at good temperature now. Oh, perfect temperature, chef. You can start now.
It's too hot, Mohit. Careful.
सर टॉप क्लास बहुत बढ़िया है सर आपका कभी से अच्छा रहा है ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट इफ समथिंग इज गुड ओके
What do you like more, momos or me?
सैमसंग मोमोज आई लाइक मोर देन एनीथिंग
Maybe Mohit would be around here.
Yeah.
See you guys sitting here. Hi there.
Hi.
This is your first time here, right?
Of course.
First time.
Bro, you're gonna love it. I'm gonna record your reaction if you don't mind.
See.
People should know that I'm not faking it.
Yeah, sure.
We were just saying, I hope Mohit will be somewhere.
Any good? Approved.
Nice.
Nice?
Approved.
You like that? It's good, right?
Yeah.
It's well done, well done.
Yeah, it's perfect. You should try the red chutney also
Yeah.
if you like spice.
Yeah.
Sir, आपके लिए हम लोग नए customer लाए. Bobbies, this is what influencing means. People came 10 plus kilometers to try out Samsung Momos only because we made videos. And what were the odds that we ran into him today while we were there?
Bro, he literally said we came here because we saw it on your video.
Bobbies, our tikkas are on the grill. I come here so often now that the owner, before serving the Alishan to me, he does a taste test himself. If it's not up to the mark, they fire me a fresh batch. 2 Alishan and 1 Juji.
I'm sensing that yours is better.
Both are just as good. Between all of this, I completely forgot. We need to take her to Adidas also.
Oh yeah, I also forgot.
Yeah.
Shit, how can I forget this? What else do you want to buy me other than shoes?
Yeah, shut the fuck up. I'm buying you dinner.
Bro, they'll think I'm a gold digger. Guys, I'm not a gold digger. Everything I own is either funded by my dad or by me.
So, why are you making me buy these shoes?
Because it's nice, no? Occasionally you can buy me something. Don't I buy you things all the time? That though nobody knows about.
That's true, guys. Shefali does do gifts. I don't usually do gifts, sir.
Yeah.
Banging good Alishan tikka, and now we're gonna try 11 Bakehouse. We'll try, no?
Considering Pizza for Pizza has not called me yet, we can try.
Yeah. Oh fuck, they have to call us first,
Yeah,
no?
yeah, they have to call us. You know, I don't even want the pizza at this point.
I want pizza. Why you don't want? What do you want?
They have a Berlin now.
Berliner and all will be too heavy.
Fine. Fine, we'll get gelato. Let's get salted caramel.
It looks good, bro. The gelato. What the fuck? That is banging good. Isn't it?
Reminding me of Goa.
It's reminding you of cream chalk from Goa,
Yeah,
right?
the flavor profile.
Fuck, that's banging good, bro. Wow.
And
Bobby,
it's only 150 rupees.
huh? That's cheaper than Milano.
How much is Milano?
1 equal.
Oh,
This is mental good. Chef, this is better than Milano, right?
it's too good, bro. I love it.
It's not like Milano is bad. Okay, I'm still gonna eat Milano, but this is banging good. Bobby's Pizza for Peace is calling us non-stop. They're like, brother, come take your reservation. But we're like, give me 5 minutes, please. I need to go buy her shoes. If we can find it, that is. Where is the store? Adidas. I've been walking non-stop for the last 15 minutes. I still don't seem to find you.
Yeah, please show up. I need shoes.
We reached Adidas. Looks like Shefali is getting a new pair of shoes today.
Let's see.
Huh?
Oh.
Are you freezing?
Yeah, bro. Aren't you?
Not today. I'm not feeling particularly cold today.
Yeah, because you're gonna lose some money.
Oh God, I forgot. Thank you for opening. See guys, when you pay, they open doors for you. Brother, do you have sambas?
We have.
Yeah, where can I find them?
I don't even know if I want them now.
Which
Because
one
they
is
all
it?
look very ugly. These are sambas.
Oh, these are.
This is what I want.
This looks good, but they don't have this in stock. It's not even available in India. Shefali Kismat, bro. The day I offered to buy her something, it's okay, I'll open the door now. Anyways, I'm not paying.
It's too good, right? This one.
It's good. Look at her, she's genuinely upset now. Oh, lililili. Oh, lililili.
I'm sleepy now. I wanna go home.
I actually offered to buy her, guys. Now we'll. Sir, auto.
He never offers to buy.
Sir, ಅದು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಸರ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಐ ಆಫರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಪೇ ಯು ನೋ ಐ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆಫರ್ಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್
I don't think so.
ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಗೋನಾ ಬೈ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಗೋನಾ ಪೇ 80% at least and if I was gonna pay 80% I could have paid 100% also I was gonna pay 120% I would have given you shoes with some money in it
See, this was nice, no?
that's also nice but where you will get boss
Not in India, bro. All these.
ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು Bobbies, it's now time for pizza.
I don't even want to eat.
Yeah, I'm not hungry at all anymore.
And I ate dessert also, so I could call it a night.
We are seated in the waiting area and she's sitting like 5 feet away from me.
Yeah, because you didn't buy me shoes. Yeah.
They're calling for you.
You can stay here. I don't want you to come.
Fine, you go alone. Go.
Come.
Go alone. This drama she's doing. We're back after a long time. Bobbies, the place is jam-packed. What are you looking at?
I'm looking at the sambas you didn't buy me.
Guys, what can I do if she didn't find the sambas that she wanted? Is it my fault?
You know, you didn't want it from your heart. You didn't want to gift it to me.
No, the order is taking too long to come, so they gave us pizza bread on the house. I've already hit 3,000 calories for today, and by the time I finish this pizza, it will be 4,000 for the day. That's a lot of food. I'm going to have a sickening pump tomorrow. Yes, pizza is here. Thank you, brother. Want
I
a picture?
am not hungry at all.
I am not hungry either.
Why are we eating? For the vlog?
Guys, we are eating for you. Pizza for peace, guys. Always tastes good. It's a fine dining experience, so you can't be eating Toto's pizza by the street always, right? Sometimes you want to sit, relax, and eat. We always get the same pizza, half Tokyo chicken, half peri peri. In my opinion, these are the best chicken pizzas here. And Shefali's battery is off now. She wants to sleep.
Yeah, because I wake up at 7 o'clock, unlike you.
You wake up at 7?
How don't you know that I wake up on 7?
I thought you wake up at 8.
Shut the vlog, I need to fight with you.
I mean, one of us has to wake up, go for a job, make money, right? These vlogs are not cheap. That's my slice. That's my slice. Brother, give me my slice.
If you like me, give it to me.
That was such a nice slice. I wanted that so bad. Now I know when people ask me if Shefali is my sister, it's because we fight like we're siblings. Pizza for peace is too messy, bro. Bro, the more I eat this pizza, the more I'm starting to realize that Toto's might just be better. Yes, Pizza for Peace as an experience is way better, but Toto's is a vibe in itself, right?
Yeah.
And taste-wise, it might just be better than this. Good meal, but I'm starting to realize that Toto's might just be better than Pizza for Peace, man.
But will we stop coming here? No, not at all.
We won't stop coming to Pizza for Peace because it's a fine dining experience. Plus, it's in Indiranagar, and we are in Indiranagar like 80% of the times.
You know, usually when coming to Pizza for Peace, I usually dress up. Today is the most cash I've come.
Guys, is this super cash? Show them your fit.
I don't think they can see.
They can't see you. They can. Let me show them better. It's not. I mean, it's cash compared to what you
Cash.
usually wear.
Yeah.
If anything, I like your cash dressing more than you putting extra effort. Because you put in extra effort in terms of girl dressing, okay? Other girls will think that, yeah, that's so pretty.
Yeah, that's
But
true.
as a dude, I think dudes like it when girls put minimal effort.
You like this?
This is chill.
White shirt.
This is chill, but you look like a granny today. Momo.
I don't want to be any Momo.
No, you look good only, bro. I like it when you're casually dressed.
You go to your granny.
I'm dropping her off to her car, post which I will do something by myself. Guys, there goes Shefali in that car. And now it's time for me to go have one more dessert. She wanted to come for dessert as well, but I'm like, nahi, tu ghar ja. It's getting late for you. So I'm going to go eat dessert by myself. I've heard a lot about this Malaysian cafe called as Kopitiam La. People say that they have one of the best tiramisus. Should we go try it? I'm getting a call. Who's calling? Hello? Open for desserts?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a tiramisu?
Yes.
Okay. Bobbies, here I am at Kopitiam La. Shefali is going to hate me for this. But yes, this place does look promising. This is the tiramisu here at Kopitiam La. They serve it in this coffee cup. Weird. I didn't expect that. Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. Bobbies, just look at that. Fucking strong. Oh, the hit of coffee is very strong. The froth on top reminds me of that Dalgona trend that we had in COVID, where you would make that froth kind of coffee. It's definitely tasty, but it's not the best tiramisu for me. Right? I understand why people like this. It's strong. So if you're a coffee lover, you're gonna love this. But if you're like me, who likes a mellow flavor, sweet tiramisu, then Lupa Tiramisu on MG Road is the best. Anyways, Bobbies, that's it for this vlog. I'm going to finish my tiramisu. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.